12 ng tanghali.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality. ACS Health Max Care Capsule.
Mula sa number 1 Smart Dishwashing Base.
Ang galing-galing mo! Smart dishwashing base ko. Pritong ulam na masebo. Plato o kaldero. Ang galing for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bacteria.
Bahid para walang bahid. Linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. Number 1 ko to. Ang galing-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Sample Plus Gold.
Nga pala, ninubuan ako ng bukol sa aking puso. Subukan ko ang Santon Plus Gold, 2 kapsula, 3 times a day sa loob ng 3 buwan. Lumiit ang bukol sa suso ko.
Sample Plus Gold. Mas pinalakas, pinagaling, pinahusay. Sample Plus Gold.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Santhone Plus Gold ay hindi gamot at hindi pwedeng gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga. Mas protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing. Para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga. Mas protektado pa. Unique.
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Sample Plus Herbal Capsule.
Ako po si Angelica. May bukol po ako sa tuhod, kaya hirap po talaga ako maglakad. Nag-take ako ng Santon Plus araw-araw. At 1 buwan lang, palit ang bukol ko. Epektibo talaga ang Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Sample Plus. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Santhone Plus Herbal Capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi pwedeng gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Presenting the world-renowned Vienna Boys Choir. The Vienna Boys Choir, one of the most loved choirs in the world, perform at the Newport Performing Arts Theater on April 26 and 27. Tickets at smtickets.com. The Vienna Boys Choir in Manila with special performance by the Young Voices of the Philippines. Brought to you in cooperation with the Cultural Center of the Philippines and the Austrian Embassy. From Ovation Productions, Blast TV, and DWWW 774.
Catch one of the most loved boys choirs in the world, Vienna Boys Choir, live in Manila 2026. Happening on April 26 and 27 at the Newport Performing Arts Theater, Newport World Resorts. Book your tickets now at smtickets.com and SM Tickets outlets. Brought to you in cooperation with Cultural Center of the Philippines and the Austrian Embassy. Presented by Ovation Productions and DWWW 774.
Pagdating sa musika, balita at impormasyon,
774!
774.
iisa lang ang pinagkakatiwalaan ng buong nasyon.
774
774!
774
DWWW 774. Your ultimate music radio.
Narito na po ang ilan sa mga patikim na balita namin sa inyo. No? News Bites, News Brief, and concise. Maging lagi tayong up-to-date, maging maalam tayo sa mga kasalukuyan at mga nagaganap sa ating bansa. Mga nakanap na balita po ito ng 774 News Team tol sa bagong segment ng